To speed up internet connection on Realme GT8 Pro, first of all, let's open the settings on our device. Next step is to select the Wi-Fi right here, and then we can navigate to our Wi-Fi assistant. There's two options that allows you to speed up that network. First one is dual channel network acceleration, and this allows you to use the both Wi-Fi speed and mobile network speed to speed up that connection. So if you have a mobile network active, you can activate it, and then it will use both of the Wi-Fi and mobile data to speed up internet for certain apps that you can find right here. Another way to do it is activate dual Wi-Fi acceleration. When it's on, you can connect to the primary network and then secondary network to speed up that internet as well using a Wi-Fi. And you can also see supported apps right here. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.